I changed my mind. I do not want to leave. Do we have to do it from this height? Yeah, we have to. Follow this is not helping. I don't want to do this. Why? My voice is weird. I'm not a rooster anymore. I already missed my home. Basically, the friends I miss at school. You gotta think of something to do. Do not. I don't want to think about it. You don't think about it, then it's, don't say it's his fault. He just doesn't want to do it. Tell me, you're the one I don't want to do this. Oh my god, do we have to do it? Yeah, you have to do it. Believe that you can fly. Believe? Dude, that's just a myth. No, like, maybe, like, sing the song that, what was it called again? Believe I could, no, that's not, oh my god. I don't think that's gonna work. Just do it. No, yeah, I'd rather try it. Oh my god. Okay, believe. It's a good thing I just laid on like cloud with a. Wait, here's someone to cloud. Wait, hold on. Georgia, was that you? No, that was not me. That was literally not me. That was your element. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, listen, I'm just. Oh, I'm so terrible at it. Just try to jump or something. See, you're flying up. I know how to fly up. It's just I never flew down. Okay. Why should we do full climb practice? This is so ridiculous. Look, man, you can't just give up hope already. I mean, look, my first try was kind of creepy. Okay. Georgia, we don't have to. No, he has to know what I did when I got freaked out. You gotta know what I do. Wow! Georgia, don't. Oh wait, no, that was. Hold on, let me try again. Oh my god, Georgia, come on. Okay, let me try again. Woo! Yay! And pink cloud. Yo. Get it? Because of the cloud. Use your air ability. Like, air ability. That's what you use to, like, you know, get yourself out of trouble. But, oh my god, I don't want to do it. Come on, just try for once. I mean, you can't just give out that easy. Right? Well, listen, Travis. It's either you try or you just don't try. I mean, just give it a second try. Give yourself a chance. I mean, that's what my mother would always say, I guess. But, hey, I never gave up when I tried it. So, hey, how about you try? Go ahead. I don't know if I can. Hey. I had this like one song my teacher would always like sing to me, like every time when I would, you know, give up hope. Well, every time when I say I can't, what she said, I can't never. Oh my god, that song sucks as hell. My teacher sings that song too. Well, you can't just do that. You can't just give up hope. You just gotta believe in yourself. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to agree with Polly here. Seriously, Sebastian? Yeah, seriously. Okay, fine. Just spread your wings. Okay, how do I even spread my wings? Like, do I just, like, I don't know, praying? Praying is, like, itching yourself. Alright. Okay, look, just, like, spread. No, fine. Oh, God, I can't get under this. Now, if you feel wind in your wings, then that means that means you should be able to fly. But what if the wind goes crazy and I lose control? Then you crash. Something like that. Oh my god, that's not good information. Oh, wait, hold on, I'm not falling. I'm not falling. Oh my god, I almost fell. Hey, I'm not falling! Hey, now you get it, yeah. Yeah, he get it. Woo! Oh my god. Wow. I haven't noticed how beautiful it is around here. It's like, oh, I know, right? Once you fly, you get it. It's very peaceful. I actually never had any friends, actually. You never did? No. Everyone at school called me a weirdo, or a freak, whatever. That's not very nice. You're telling me. But I just feel like if I returned home, what if I didn't recognize anyone? Well, if you didn't recognize your abusive parents, would my abusive mom even be sorry for everything she did? Maybe. You never know. I don't know. Let's just go back to the tree. Yeah, we'll figure this out, baby. This is gonna be weird. I never did. I know how you feel. Polly, do you know anything? Like, have you guys ever seen this, like, weird dinosaur thingy? What dinosaur thingy? I keep on seeing this weird dinosaur, like, go through caves and everything. I don't know. Well, we've heard about it. We have seen him, I guess. Wait, Philip, did you say anything about the, you know, weird dinosaur that's been running around all this crap and everything? Yes, I did. I don't remember. Sebastian, do you not remember his name? Yeah, I actually have seen that guy, but, we don't even know what he wants, or why he's basically running around. We haven't really, like, talked to him in real life, but it's, like, I don't know he was an actual bird just stuck in here for only, like, a few years, but it's, like, but, yeah, it's been really complicated. Well, do you know anything? No, not really. But all I know is that, all I know is that we just thought someone had to fly. Someone new. And I understand. Oh gosh. Okay. Well, if you guys know anything, then tell me. Yeah, let's just get ourselves ready for sleep. Ugh, I'm tired like hell. Oh my god. Okay. How can this skeleton sleep? Shut up, Polly. Oh my god. After what? That other... that elemental raptor did to me, I will get revenge on him. Just as he leaves. Whatever those elements are, I will do something to them to make me all powerful again. legend has been there for years, and no one has ever found it. And I'll be waiting for those guys. Just